A former Kalamazoo resident has filed a civil rights complaint alleging the city was specifically zoned so that a paper mill would be primarily near African-American neighborhoods.
Angeline McCall spoke with that resident about why she's taking legal action. Angeline.
Derek Janis, Graphic Packaging, a paper mill in Kalamazoo, has been intertwined in a legal battle with this same resident, prompting a class action lawsuit against the manufacturing plant for the distinct odor coming from its site. Now she's filed a civil rights complaint against the city of Kalamazoo for failing to take action on what she sees as a public health emergency. Brandy Crawford Johnson says she's exhausting every legal avenue for health issues she developed while living next to Graphic Packaging.
Within days of me moving in, I started getting burning eyes, which was a new symptom I never had from living in that neighborhood.
She began to struggle more with asthma.
That aren't from there. Nobody deserves this. These chemicals travel for hundreds of miles.
Brandy aired her concerns during city commission meetings.
Hi, this is Brandy Crawford Johnson.
Also questioning how the paper mill could operate so closely to homes.
I also don't believe they should be expanding where they are located. They should have been located very far away into an industrial area that is not close to residences, because the odor and the chemicals are causing respiratory issues for the majority of the neighborhood.
She discovered these 1937 zoning maps describing the area as hazardous and predominantly African American, very similar to the neighborhood's ethnicity we see today.
There could have been something done. There could have been they're doing rezoning all the time. They could have rezoned this area away. These people, no one had to have their lives sacrificed. You know, it's not fair, and it's terrifying to trust people to be in charge of your health.
This civil rights complaint is currently under review by the state, which says the city of Kalamazoo voted to rezone certain areas back in November of last year, but, quote, purposefully did not rezone our neighborhood due to the racial makeup of the community.
I mean, this was purposely designed, and it has to change. It's not fair. No one should be treated differently because their income is less than someone else. No one should be treated differently because the color of their skin is not white.
Brandy and her family have since moved, but wants the neighborhood purged of the smell and the health issues she fears come with it.
I couldn't even watch the city meetings anymore because I'm so upset and so hurt by their actions or their inactions. You know, I'm so hurt that they aren't standing up for the people like they should.
We reached out to both the city of Kalamazoo and Graphic Packaging. Both said they don't comment on pending litigation. The city, however, did add that it's aware of the complaint and has filed a response with the Michigan Department of Civil Rights. The state is currently investigating and, based on the evidence, could dismiss the complaint or choose to file a formal charge of discrimination. You can read the full statements from the city and Graphic Packaging on our website, fox17online.com. In the newsroom, Angeline McCall, Fox 17 News.